Hi friends, and thanks for coming by to watch our painting channel again. We're here today with a 14 by 14 canvas, and I'm going to slap some black paint on, and I'm going to dump some other colors on it. We're going to have some fun. Come to the canvas with me. Let's do this. Let's start with this here black paint for some background. Got lots of it. I want some extra. I want it to mix in with what we have and make some all kinds of craziness out here. What we're going to get, I don't know. Well, let's find out. Okay, let's get some colors down. Let's start this one here. So what we got here is a lot of fun color mixes and variations. It almost looks like fire coming up from the one corner. Pretty cool. Cells are starting to pop in. The paint is really thin, so I'm expecting a lot more cell action than what we're getting here as it dries. I'll be definitely glad to put a picture up when this does dry. This looks really good the way it is, and I like it now.
The link to our community board for dried painting is in our description.
So as always, thank you for coming by to watch our channel. Always so appreciative of that. And please like and subscribe. Ring the notification bell if you haven't already. And definitely comment and let us know how we're doing. And watch some of our other videos. We have 4 School of Art videos that Lori has put a lot of hard work and effort into, and they're really good and have a lot of really neat information. And we have a lot of beautiful paintings for you to enjoy. With that, I'm going to say goodbye. See you next time.